Welcome to Study Loop.
Drawing the free body diagram first. So I am drawing a free body diagram, and with this help of the diagram I will solve the problem further. So just look at it carefully. This diagram will be very helpful in solving the problem further. I will show all the forces that are acting in this diagram, and after that I will write some equation to solve this problem. So just look at it carefully. Here m dot g is working, this point is B, this point is G, and here n is working and this angle is 60 degree. Here mg is working and in this side 800 Newton is working. Now going forward, so solving summation of fx is equal to ma. So I am just writing an equation. So this is the equation. Now we can write it like this. I just put the value of mg sin theta as well as m here. So a is coming as 4.84 meter per second square. Now drawing free body diagram again. So I am just drawing another free body diagram and I will show all the forces that are acting on it. So here m dot g is acting at a distance of 0.7 meter and this distance is also 0.7. Here B is working. Now in this point MA rod is working. Now equilibrium of momentum at point B. So I am just writing an equation. Just look at it carefully. On further solving we can write an equation like this. Now I am going to put some values here which are given in the question. So I just put the value of MA, M1 as well as sin theta here. So on solving it we can write it like this. So this is our final equation, and on solving it further we get the value of m is equal to this. This is our answer.